Hi there YouTubers, and thank you so much for taking your time to actually watch this video. This video is for anybody that's like me. You might be involved in network marketing and you obviously need to generate and also capture leads. Now you've obviously clicked on this video because this is something which you want to do. I'm going to talk about what I'm doing and what service I actually use at the moment to actually capture leads and then redirect those leads to my network marketing business. Now I stumbled across this service a while ago and I've been using it for quite a while, and it does work. Service is called Lead Lightning. Now what this actually does, what this service actually operates is basically giving you a free facility to actually capture leads for any business which you're doing. So it might be that you're involved in a network marketing business. It might be that you're perhaps involved in generating leads for weight loss. It doesn't matter, because the service that they provide is a great introduction, if you like, to actually start building any list for any business. So what I done was I initially joined for free, and they basically give you a service where you can promote their capture page, and it basically says, are you interested in earning money online, etc. And then what it does is it basically for anybody that's interested, they then click on that link and then they leave their email. Now what actually happens is the company then provide follow-up emails advertising your opportunity, and this is all done for free. This is all done for free. Now I've seen other videos online which are advertising this opportunity, this way of capturing leads, but the one thing it doesn't mention, and if I'm understanding it correctly, is that if you go for the free service, which is what I initially done, when you advertise your link, it might be that you advertise leaflets, it might be that you do it on traffic exchanges, however you do it, when you're getting people visiting your actual capture page, the people can actually register their email and join and obviously get the free service. But what you do have to do is that when the next person then joins and leaves their email, that actually goes to the person above you that signed up, unless you choose to do what I then done, which is to upgrade. If you upgrade and pay it's $7, which I think is about £5.50, something like that, British pounds sterling. Once you've done that, the service is completely free. So you then got a capture page with an autoresponder which actually collects these leads for you. Now the bit that attracted me was that on the actual page, when you actually sign up, you can enter a website address of your main business opportunity. So when you're promoting obviously your link to like Lead Lightning or the free Lead Lightning system, which is basically obviously free, the person then enters their email, but then the company send follow-up emails promoting your main business opportunity. Now that I think is brilliant. I think, because what it does, it enables you to be building a list. It took me ages to realise this, but if you want to make money online, the only way you do it is actually building an email list. I've watched people on YouTube who are making fantastic amounts of money. What they're doing is they're buying these programs, software programs. Some of them are very expensive, but it enables them to design and create brilliant capture pages, which then help them bring in more leads. Now this is what I'm doing now. I mean, obviously if you see my other videos, I do lead generation, and I also do network marketing. And in the past, when I'm guilty of it, like a lot of people, you get a lead, and you might not perhaps give that lead the attention or the follow up that it deserves, because you're getting more leads coming in. Well, what I do now is when anyone goes onto my capture page, which I've paid $7 for, which like I say, that's the only payment I've ever got to make now. I can then just keep on getting leads in the system, and the system does the following up for me, which I think is brilliant. Yeah. Obviously, like a lot of these software programs, they do offer upgrades. They offer like silver level, gold level, where you can actually you basically pay like a subscription where you then get better software. But I'm going to be honest with you, I've not done that at the moment. I'm just using the $7 system because it's working for me. And the good thing is as well, which I should have mentioned right at the start, when people come in and register, they're offered this software up front as well. Now, if they purchase the software, if they purchase the Lead Lightning lead capture page system, then they pay. They can have the free system, which obviously is what I done initially. But if they choose to upgrade and have the $7 system, the company pay you $6 because you've obviously got on the sale. So obviously it's not a fortune. It's like now, I'm going to leave a link below if you're interested in obviously getting this this great system. And bear in mind, you can try it for free. Yeah, you haven't got to pay $7. You can just get the free initial lead capture page, which is what I've done. I only upgraded once I see that people are actually joining and leaving their emails. It then occurred to me that if anybody who I got into the system decided to upgrade, I would be earning $6. So it was like a no-brainer, especially because obviously the service, it is a good service. You know, when you compare it to some of the other things that are out there, you know, you've got GetResponse, Aweber, all these you know, really good systems, but they're, you know, but they are like, you know, obviously money that, you know, they're £30-40 a month. If you're just getting started, you know, I would think twice. But with this system, you're literally paying. Well, you haven't got to pay anything to try it. You join. I'll leave the link below. You can start promoting the same system, the free funnel system, if you like, which is what it's called. And they will, people, you've obviously got to promote your link. People will see it. They will want to know what your business is about. They will join. And then when they actually enter their email, they are then shown how they can start making $7, $6. Yeah. But more importantly, which I think is the no-brainer, is that they start promoting when you register, you can enter your link. So say your business is Herbal Life or something like that, and you've got a landing page for for people to join your business. You just put that in there, and then what happens is the company, they will send emails, follow-up emails to this person that has expressed an interest in your business with your page, your recruitment page. That's a no-brainer. Do you know what I mean? You haven't even got to worry about doing the follow-ups. Obviously, you can ring them if they've left their number, but most people, they're just leaving. You know, most of the ones on my subscription, they've just left their email. Yeah, so you know, check it out. Check out this great. You know, if you're just getting started and you want to start building your list, and I suggest you start building your list quickly. Yeah, you know. It's a no-brainer. You just obviously advertise your links. Obviously, that can cost you money. You can use traffic exchanges, buy solo ads. Yeah, I've been getting a good response from traffic exchanges. Yeah, people, you know, you can obviously either buy traffic or you can watch other people's ideas, and you then get credits and then obviously promote your link. But it does work. I've been getting sign-ups just from using traffic exchanges, which is free. Yeah, it's free. So yeah, if you want to start promoting your business and you want to get a landing page and you don't want to pay any money for it. If you don't want to, check out the link below. Thank you so much. I hope you've got something out of this video. I hope you you know, obviously, I hope it helps your business in some way. I've got a lot of videos on lead generation. I do videos on different things, but lead generation is something which I'm involved with. And if you're building any business, anything online, if you're selling handbags, if you're selling shoes, if you're selling, whatever you're selling, on your page, you need to be capturing that email. My wife works for a company, I won't say which company, but the company she works for, every time she gets a customer now, my wife said to me, they're pressuring me to get emails. Well, the reason they're doing that is because they want to send them a promotional link, a 10% offer or a 20% offer, which will then encourage people to buy more products. And this is what we've got to do. Anybody that's making money online, that is what they're doing. They are building their list. They are capturing emails. It might be if you're in weight loss, if you're whatever you're in, you obviously want to try and be capturing emails in the same field. If you're into photography, then obviously you've got a photography list. If you've got people that are interested in earning money online, then you're building that list. And that's where these services, the service that I'm promoting, plus obviously some of the other well-known companies, that's where obviously you have to upgrade, because then you can build different lists in different niches, But the reason that people are paying these subscriptions is because it works. But like I say, if you just initially want to start building a list and you don't want to pay no money, check out the link below, because that's what I've done, and I'm building my list, and it does work, Please like, please subscribe, and like I say, I really hope this has helped you. And if you're involved in networking, it can be a struggle at times, and you need all the help you can get. So, thank you so much. Please like, please subscribe, and please share.